A very good evening to one and all. Again, I come up with a new and useful video in front of you. So in this video, I'm just going to discuss about Turnitin. So Turnitin is a online tool. So based on this Turnitin tool, we are going to verify the plagiarism. So if you are a researcher, Turnitin tool is very much helpful for you. Once you written any research paper or any book, any other article, we need to verify the copied content. So here the copied content, we are going to be call it as a plagiarism. So once you return any paper, finally we are going to verify how much plagiarism your paper has or how much plagiarism your book has. So if you want to verify the copied content, so nowadays a number of tools are available within the market. But among all the tools, Turnitin is a quality. So it will generate the finalized and then quality accurate percentage of copied content. So for that we are having so many resources, so like Drillbit, Turnitin, like that. But among all the resources, Turnitin is the best and genuine. Okay, and then Turnitin is not an open source. So if you want to use Turnitin instantly without wasting the time, let's get into the video. So if you want to access Turnitin, you just open your Google. So if you are having a proper network connection, you can instantly use Turnitin tool. Actually, it's not an open source, but if you want to use instantly, you just follow whatever the procedure I'm explaining now. So you just open your Google and then enter turnitin.com. So if you enter turnitin.com, the page will be looks like this. Okay, so here the two options will be there. The first one is a create account and the next one is a login. For example, if you are new to the Turnitin, then you just click on create account. So suppose if you are already an existing customer of a Turnitin, so without creating an account directly, you just clicked on login. Okay, so if you create an account within the Turnitin, so you can create a user profile based on a 3 ways. So whatever it shows like that. So the first one is a student and the next one is a teaching assistant and the next one is an instructor. So based on your profession, you can create a profile here. Okay, but if you are new to the Turnitin account, so most of the customers are created a user profile like a student. So if you click on a student, the class ID, it will ask some details. You can enter all the details here. Okay, so once you enter all the details, it will create the class ID. Okay, so I have already created a Turnitin account here. You just clicked on login. So these are my details. This is my email ID and this is my password. So once you entered email ID and password, you just click on login. So once you click on login, it will ask class ID and then class enrollment key. Okay, but actually it's not an open source, but free class IDs and some free class IDs, at the same time some free enrollment keys are available within the Google. So here I have already entered free class ID, that is 286764999. You just entered 286764999 as a class ID. At the same time you just enter no repository as an enrollment key. So if you enter class ID and then enrollment key, automatically the particular Turnitin, simply I can say it's just like a hacked, that particular account will be hacked. Okay, so actually this is the account I hacked. So if you click on this particular account, so if I click on this particular account, actually it will take some time. So if I click on this particular account, so number of sub accounts will be available. So you just upload your paper. So okay, once you have already written a paper, you just upload that particular paper in any of the account and finally it will display the plagiarized content. Okay, so for example here I have uploaded some papers. It will display the percentage will be like that, 54%, 2%, like that. Okay, that means my paper has that much copied content. Okay, and one more instruction is once you uploaded paper in any of the account, it will take 24 hours to upload. It will take 24 hours to resubmit a paper. Suppose if you want to upload one more paper, that means second paper, it will take 24 hours to accept. Okay, but among all the resources, Drillbit, like that, Turnitin is a genuine. It will produce a genuine plagiarized percentage. So this is a way we are going to hack a Turnitin account. So it will actually within the Google itself, free class ID and free enrollment key will be available. So if you need, you just go ahead with the class ID and enrollment key. That particular Turnitin account will be opened, and then you just upload your paper, and finally it will produce a plagiarized content. Thank you so much.